Yo, are you doing the giveaway?
I'm trying to win the giveaway, but I don't know how to.
Don't worry, follow these steps. 1. You need to find on my channel one of my videos that is above 1k views, or shorts. See, it should be above 1k views. Now share it to a random social app. Share the video to a GC. And if you don't have a GC button, you can send it also to
Last year this YouTuber was so peak, creek. Wanna do race with doors seek, creek. Squid Game plush got leaked, creek. His girlfriend wanna kiss him on his cheek, creek. Craft, creek, craft, creek, craft, creek, craft.
and then go to my Instagram and DM me so you can say I'm done. So that's the end of the video. Like and subscribe and good luck. Peace out.